Welcome to our Sunday. It did not turn out the way I was anticipating that it would turn out. So I don't think I'm going to do a full vlog today because we've had quite the sick day actually. And I'll show you what things look like around here. Luckily, Joel this morning got up and I said, please tell me you feel good. Do you feel good, Joel? Oh,
I feel good, but I'm like, I'm trying. I'm like, Lincoln, come away. I don't want to be sick.
Could you stop?
Yeah, I feel like really good, but I have just a little bit of a sore neck. Just a little bit, but I'm fine.
Yeah, I woke up and I was like, oh, I just gotta put my thumb out.
Yep, so we've got these three right here. They got up, they went to church, which is why you guys like look really attractive. Joel's hair is done, Olivia's.
I got a beanie and I've worn it for like the last 2 days and I love it so much. I don't know what it is, I just keep putting it on. I love it.
Yours is upstairs, I found it.
Yeah, Olivia, with your beautiful hair and face and everything.
Oh, my
you
church
look
face.
Yeah, you looked really sweet. Olivia's in love with her new beanie. Where's he going?
He wants to find his beanie.
Oh, okay.
Beanies.
Okay, so that was their morning. The first thing, Cody comes in to me and he's like, Mom.
My throat feels like sandpaper.
Yeah.
Because it just hurts so bad.
And you were kind of warm and you can just see it in your eyes, you know.
He looked pretty white this morning too.
Yep, so I said, all right, well, oh, I forgot.
How could I?
It was like 6 in the morning. Isn't that when you came and got me? Okay, so I woke up around 5-ish and I just couldn't sleep because I didn't feel, I feel fine, like I'm not sick like you kids, but I just wasn't like sleeping, you know. So I went and laid on the couch and then sweet Cody, that was so sweet. You came and you laid by me. And so we just kind of laid on the couch for a minute and that was kind of nice. And then I put you on the couch and I went and I don't know what I went and did. Found Lincoln, I don't know. But anyway, Cody just kind of slept, took a little nap in the morning. And then, so we went into the kitchen and made some honey tea, like honey, apple cider vinegar. And Lincoln wouldn't even drink it. And I was like, yep. I was just like, something's not quite right.
I had it and I have an ear infection.
Yep, so I knew.
2 in both ears.
That's right. I knew something was not right. So we took him to the Instacare.
After we came back, I threw up 4 times.
Yeah, let's do that.
At the same time.
Yeah. And I just knew that if he didn't I couldn't wait till tomorrow because I figured we may not even be able to get into the doctor tomorrow. So
you're better off staying ahead of it.
He checked my throat, my ears.
And I asked him, I said, for cough medicine, what's the best thing you can do for kids?
Honey.
That's right. So he said they did a study.
And I had a ginger chew.
Yeah, we found some ginger chews in Grandma's closet.
They're
and
kinda
ginger helps settle upset tummies. I'm so sorry I had the hiccups.
And they're kind of tasty.
They were kind of tasty. So, what was I saying? Oh, the doctor said they did a study and cough medicines, prescription, over the counter, home remedies. He said the best, most effective thing for your throat is honey. And that's what Grandpa said when we talked to Grandpa Griffiths on the phone. So we did a tea with like honey, lemon, cinnamon. My dad does cayenne.
Cayenne.
But the kids wouldn't have drinking that. So, and I can't remember if we put anything else in it. Anyway, so that's just kind of our update for today. And now we're gonna go finish resting. Yeah. Poor thing. Okay. Good night, guys. I have to show what puzzle we were doing.
What do you mean we?
You have a mouse in your pocket?
The one Olivia and Dad are working on.
Olivia done
Joel's dad.
Because I think these pieces go like somewhere right here.
Okay. Joel's dad gave us this puzzle to get us in the Christmas
He gave it
spirit.
to every single kid that he had.
Yep, each family. Is that not the most beautiful puzzle?